Hey guys, welcome back to Simon Says DIY. Today I'm going to be turning this old TV cabinet into this. So this old cabinet was designed to fit a big box TV inside, so literally everything is outdated. It just won't work for what we have now. So I'm going to tear off everything inside. The back actually has a big hole in it for the TV to fit inside. So I'm going to tear off the back. Anything that's dated on the outside that isn't the style that I want to go for, I'm going to tear off. So I can start fresh with just the bones of the cabinet, and then I'll build up from there into a farm style cabinet. I'm going to start by tearing off everything that's going to be unusable for the finished farm style TV stand. Now that everything that is unusable and dated on the cabinet is taken off, I can start rebuilding it. Now for the new shelves in the cabinet, I'm going to be building these out of plywood, and to strengthen these up, they will be stapled onto the backing along the back of the cabinet, but along the front I'm going to staple on and glue on a faceplate onto that shelf, and that will really strengthen it up and keep it from bowing. The backing of the furniture is a very important part to strengthen up the piece, and if your cuts are square, you can use that as a guide to make sure your piece of furniture is all squared up as well. After adding the backing, I'm going to go in and attach the other two shelves. One more piece that I need to take off this cabinet is the molding down along the bottom. It doesn't match with the farm style moldings, so I'm going to replace that real quick with some square molding.
To help support the bottom shelf, I'm going to add on a little strip of wood to act as a lip for the shelf to set on the bottom molding. An important part of a farm style build is the barn doors for the front, and I'm going to be building these with an X pattern across the front. These doors will really finish off the look of a farm style build. To get the perfect angles to have the X pattern across the center can be pretty tricky, so I'm gonna first use a chalk line to find the perfect center, then I'll mock it up and make a template for the angles before cutting the finished pieces. Now that I have the template set, I can use this to mark out the perfect angles to cut for my X pattern. To let the glue dry, I'm going to set a couple of my boxes of screws on top. This will press the wood down, hold it in place while the glue dries. Alright guys, I know this doesn't look like a complete farm style TV stand yet, and that's because I've only done the construction of it so far. My next video will be prepping this piece of furniture for the painting it, and doing all the finishing touches to have this cabinet complete. So stay tuned for that video coming soon. Alright, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you want a notification when I upload a video, click on that bell icon, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.